Banned overnight, policy or punishment? Here's your creator-safe legal playbook. A top Roblox YouTuber says his account was terminated after posting safety content, while Roblox says rules were broken. Let's separate feelings from facts and walk through what the rules say and what you can legally do next. Platforms enforce house rules through their terms of use, and moderation decisions usually stick unless you can show the rules were misapplied. On Roblox, most disputes route to private arbitration and include a class action waiver, so plan for an appeal first and a legal letter second. Step 1. Preserve evidence. Save the termination email, timestamps, recent uploads, thumbnails, description text, appeal ticket numbers, and any relevant chat logs. If you live streamed, download the VOD and chat replay now. This protects your timeline and prevents loss of context. Step 2. Appeal in platform. Use the official moderation appeal form and keep it concise. Cite the exact rule headings and explain how your video fits the safety policy rather than violates it. Step 3. De-risk your content. Roblox bans directing users off platform and sharing personal information, and it prohibits unsafe or sexualized roleplay. If your content critiques safety, cut invites, DMs, and any prompts that could be read as moving people to other apps. Keep demonstrations abstract, not interactive. Step 4. Escalate professionally. A short, lawyer-vetted letter should list your account, termination date, appeal ID, and the specific policy sections you believe were misapplied. Ask for a concrete remedy, like reinstatement, or guidance for a compliant restoration. Attach your evidence index, and keep the tone neutral. Step 5. Know your lanes. Contract claims argue the rules were applied unfairly. Consumer protection claims focus on whether safety representations were misleading. Arbitration is faster than court, but private, so evidence quality matters even more. Public petitions raise pressure, but they don't decide outcomes. Step 6. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't dox anyone. Don't accuse individuals of crimes. Don't repost prohibited content to prove a point. Stick to policy language and verifiable evidence. If you discuss child safety failures, anchor your claims to reports and filings, not rumor. Here's the bigger picture. Roblox's policies prohibit directing users off platform and sharing personal information, and the company recently said it removed so-called vigilante accounts while reiterating those rules. At the same time, lawsuits and attorney general actions allege predators still move kids to other apps, which fuels the safety debate and creator bans. Both dynamics can be true, which is why clean compliance matters. Bottom line, know the rules. Preserve your evidence. File a precise appeal. Escalate with a focused legal letter when needed. Use your voice without breaking policy. If you want my one-page appeal template and creator rights checklist, comment "creator rights" and I'll pin it. Educational only, not legal advice.